Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Instagram DM message icon not opening. So when you tap on it and nothing happens, it basically freezes or the inbox won't load. Here are some of the fixes that you can try right away. So first of all, if you are using Instagram on your application, you just have to simply launch the application and swipe it away from the recent applications. Then you need to open it again. Then click on the messages icon and see if the glitch is still there or if it is fixed instantly. Now, if you see that it is still not fixed, you will have to check your internet connection on your phone. You need to see whether your internet connection is good or not. You can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and you can try again. Slow the networks often stop DMs from loading, so make sure that your internet connection is good. You can also try the force stop of your Instagram application. For that, you need to go to the settings of your device. There you will find your Instagram app. You need to simply just force stop it from there. On iPhone, you can swipe up and force close the application. So this is also going to reset the DM system without deleting your data. Now you can also try deleting the cache files. So in the apps of your phone, simply go to the Instagram, then go to storage. There you will find the clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, simply just open your Instagram application, tap on the messages icon and see if the error is fixed or if it is still there. I'm damn sure if you try any of these methods, you will be able to fix it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.